Welcome back to the channel. If you are a designer or engineer working in Autodesk Fusion 360, you know how crucial the grid system is for maintaining precision and alignment during your sketches. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to change your grid settings in Fusion 360, allowing you to customize your workspace to fit your specific modeling needs. Managing your grid layout, visibility, and snapping behavior can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. If this tutorial helps you get your design environment just right, please hit that like button and subscribe for more CAD tips and tricks to help you master 3D modeling in 2026. Let us dive right into the software. To begin, go ahead and open the design project you are currently working on within Fusion 360. Once your workspace is live, look down at the bottom toolbar located at the edge of your screen. This is where most of your viewport and display controls live. Locate the icon that looks like a small grid symbol, which is properly labeled as the Grid and Snaps menu. When you click on this icon, a settings panel will pop up, giving you full control over how your background grid behaves. Inside this menu, you will see a few essential options. First, you have the Layout grid setting, which acts as your primary toggle. If you find the grid distracting while trying to visualize your final geometry, simply uncheck this and the grid will hide instantly. You can bring it back just as easily whenever you need a reference. Below that, you'll find the Snap to Grid function. This is vital when you are drawing sketches that require exact coordinates. When this is active, your cursor will automatically gravitate toward the grid intersections, which helps prevent those minor misalignment errors that can haunt your models later. You can toggle this on or off depending on whether you are doing freehand sketching or precision design. Take a moment to experiment with these settings while moving your mouse around your workspace to see how your cursor interacts with the grid. Once you're comfortable with your new configuration, click anywhere outside of the menu to close it, and your settings will be applied to your project immediately. These simple adjustments can make a world of difference when you are building complex assemblies or detailed sketches. If you found this quick guide useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more frequent Fusion 360 updates and tutorials. We release content regularly to keep your CAD skills sharp. Thanks for watching and happy designing.